We are going to see some problems regarding mole concept. Okay, so first calculate the molar mass of the following. So first, what is the molar mass? Mole expressed in mass is known as molar mass, or otherwise mole expressed in grams is known as a molar mass. We know that formula: 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams. So in this way mole can be expressed in grams. Like that, if molecules mean, we have used this formula. If atom means 1 mole of atoms is equal to atomic mass in grams. Okay, so molar mass means mole expressed in grams is known as molar mass. Okay, first sum C2H6. We have to calculate the first we have to identify whether it's a molecule or atom. This is the molecule, so we have to identify the molecule means what is the formula: 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams. So we have to find the molecular mass first. How do we calculate the molecular mass? Sum of the atomic masses of atoms present in a molecule. In this molecule it contains 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom. So first we have to add sum the atomic masses of carbon and hydrogen, and we have to calculate the molecular mass. After that we convert the molecular mass into molar mass. Okay, so first atomic mass, we must know the value of the atomic mass of carbon and hydrogen. Here 2 types of atoms are there. One is a carbon and another one is a hydrogen. So first atomic mass of carbon is 12. Like that, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U. We know that value. So in C2H6, the mass of carbon, how many carbons are there? 2 carbon. So 2 into 12, 24U. Okay, like that, mass of hydrogen, here 6 hydrogens are there. So 6 into 1 is the, what is that? 1 is the mass of hydrogen. So 6U. Molecular mass is the mass of molecule. So 30U. Okay, so as per the definition, 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in gram. So we find the molecular mass, that is 30U. We convert the molecular mass into gram, is known as molar mass. So 1 mole of C2H6 equal to 30 grams of C2H6. Okay, next problem, CO2. CO2 is a molecule, so we have that use the formula what 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams. So first atomic mass of, here 2 atoms are there, 2 kind of atoms. One is a carbon and another one is oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12U. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. In carbon dioxide, mass of carbon, so in only 1 carbon atoms present in it, so 1 into 12 is equal to 12U. Like that, mass of oxygen, here in CO2 2 oxygen atoms are there, so 2 into 16, 32U. So molecular mass is equal to 44U. Okay, so 1 mole of CO2 contain 44 grams. We express that molecular mass in grams is known as 1 mole. So here molecular mass is 44U. We expressed in grams, that is equal to 1 mole of CO2. So 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 44 gram of CO2. Okay, and next oxygen. Here oxygen is a atom. It is in atomic nature. So what is that atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So what is that formula? 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass in grams. We know that atomic mass of oxygen is 16. We expressed in gram is known as 1 mole of oxygen. So that atomic mass expressed in grams, that is 16 grams. Okay, so 1 mole of oxygen contains 16 gram of oxygen atom. Okay, like that. Next, O2. This is the molecular form. So we know that atomic mass of oxygen is 16. In oxygen molecule, it contains 2 oxygen atoms. So mass of oxygen, so 2 into 16 is equal to 32. So what is the molecular mass? Here the molecular mass is 32U. So 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams. Here molecular mass is 32U, in grams 32 grams. Okay, so 32 grams of O2. Okay, so in this way we have to convert the molecular mass into molar mass. Okay, next kind of question is, what is the mass of the following? So here question, what is the mass of the following? That means what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom, 4 moles of water molecule, and 2 moles of carbon atom. Okay, so we have convert the mole into mass. We know that 1 mole is equal to how much? Okay, in a molecule 1 mole is equal to molecular mass in grams. In atom 1 mole is equal to atomic mass in gram. Okay, so first we have to find 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. Here nitrogen atom, we know that what is the mass of nitrogen? 14U. So atomic mass expressed in grams is known as 1 mole. So 1 mole of nitrogen atom is equal to 14 grams of nitrogen atom. Okay, like that 4 moles of water molecule. We know first it is a molecule, so we have to calculate the molecular mass. After that we convert the molecular mass into moles. Okay, so first mass of hydrogen is 1. We know that mass of oxygen atom 16. Here 2 hydrogen atom is there, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2U. Like that, mass of oxygen, here only one oxygen atom present. We know that one oxygen atom has the mass 16U. So 1 into 16 equal to 16U. Okay, so finally what is the molecular mass? The molecular mass is 18U. So 1 mole of H2O molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams, that means 18 grams. But question asked mass of 4 moles. So therefore 4 moles, 18 into 4. Okay, that is 72 grams. So 4 moles of H2O contain 72 gram of water molecule. Okay, like that 2 moles of carbon. Atomic mass of carbon is 14U. Okay, so here it mentioned that atom alone. So atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of carbon is 12U. So 1 mole of carbon. So 1 mole of carbon is equal to atomic mass in gram. So here atomic mass is 12. It is in gram, means 12 grams. The question asked mass of 2 moles of carbon. So 1 moles 12 gram. What about the 2 moles? 12 into 2. So 24 grams of carbon. So 2 moles of carbon contain 24 grams of carbon. Okay. Thank you.